Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expedition Limited and I will show you all of the radiator cooling fans fuses and relays. Now all of the fuses and relays will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is very easy accessible. It's right here. To lift the cover you will have two black tabs, one on the right side, one on the left side. So all you have to do, just press on each of the tabs and pull the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 14, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to electrical fan number 1. Second fuse, it's a fuse number 16, which is again 40 amp fuse responsible for power to electrical fan number 2. And the last fuse worth checking will be fuse number 63, which is a 25 amp fuse located in the bottom left corner. Once you have checked all of the fuses, there is still a couple of relays to be checked. You have a relay number 3, relay number 6 and relay number 8. Now to test any of these, your best option is just try to replace with any relay of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay, replace it, and that should fix your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.